Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th Girls High School Kalamabad. Dear students, today we will discuss the different crop plants that are grown in India. Many plants are grown on a large scale in vast fields since they are consumed in large amounts. Plants grown in fields are known as crop plants or simple crops. There are a variety of usable crops grown in India. Rice, wheat, and barley are the most common cereal crops that have been used by man. They form the staple food on which mankind has built its civilization. India produces about 150 million tons of rice, wheat, and other cereals every year to feed her more than 1,000 million people. Some examples of common crop grown in India are listed in table 6.1. So we have already, and this is the table 6.1, the different crops that are grown in India. The different crops are there may be the cereals, rice, wheat, maize, barley. It may be the fiber crops, cotton and jute. It may be pulses, oil seeds, root crops, tuber crops. You can see these different crops from your textbook at the page number 62. So that India has a large population. So large number of crops are consumed so that the large plants are grown in the fields. In India, as you know, that 70% of people dependent on agriculture, and most of the crops that are grown in the fields are rice, wheat, maize. These are the cereal crops. So we can say mostly the cereal crops are grown in India because the staple food on which mankind has built its civilization is the cereal crops. India produces about 150 million tons of wheat, rice, and other cereals every year to feed more than 1,000 people. Some of the common examples you have already listed in the table 6.1 in on the page number 62 of the textbook. So here on the page number 63, here is written some of the main crops that are grown in our J&K state. First one is rice. Rice, as you know, it is the staple food of Kashmiris. It is mostly grown in the Kulgam district, Oraspura, Kutwa, Udumpur, Bhadrawa, Riyasi, and Kashtwar. And there are coarse to fine varieties of rice that are sown in different parts of the state. In Jammu division, there is 1.9000 acres of rice under cultivation, while in Kashmir there is 3,74,000 acres are under cultivation. Yield per area is 13 quintals in Jammu and 15 quintals in Kashmir. In Kashmir Valley, Kulgam Tehsil is often referred as the rice bowl of Kashmir. So rice is the staple food of Kashmiris, and mostly the rice is grown in the Kulgam district, so it is also called as the rice bowl of Kashmir. Similarly, we have a wheat is also another uh, main crop of J&K. It is mostly sown in the Jammu region. It is the staple food for the people of Kotwa, Oraspur, and Sama. And there is about 78 acres in Kashmir of land under the cultivation of wheat, and 7,000 acres in Ladakh. Mostly it is cultivated in the Jammu region, where the total land under the cultivation of wheat is 3,31 acres of land in Jammu. Another main crop of J&K is the maize. It is cultivated on height elevation where it receives 75 to 125 centimeter rainfall. Cheap areas where it is grown are Kashtwar, Bhadrawa, Batut, Banihal, Mahsoli, Push Rajouri, and crevasse of Kashmir. And you see most of the land for maize cultivation is in Kashmir. It is more than Jammu, and the meat does not grow in the Ladakh. Maize does not grow in Ladakh. Similarly, we have the barley. Barley is grown in the Kashtawar, Doda, and Udhampur. In Ladakh, different varieties of barley called grum is grown. Similarly, jawar and bajra are also grown in the Hirannagar, Kotwa, Samba, Kandi, Jammu region. We have the pulses. Pulses are also grown in the J&K, mostly in the Kotwa and Kashmir Valley. Rajma is known as Kashtawaz. Rajmas is grown in Kashtawaz, Bhadrawah, Doda, Rajouri, and Poonch. Sugarcane is also the main crop in J&K state. It is grown in the Aknoor, Kotwa, Arispura, Jammu region. It does not grow in Kashmir and Ladakh, and it requires very hot climate. The sugarcane. Similarly, there is also oilseed crops grown in J&K. The chief varieties of oilseed crops are the mustard, linseeds, cottonseeds, rapeseeds, and sesame. They are grown all over the state. Chief areas being Anantnag and Srinagar are the most cultivating districts of oilseeds. So, dear students, in nutshell, we can see the different crops that are grown in J&K is rice, wheat, maize, barley, jawar and bajra, pulses, sugarcane, and oilseeds. Different crops are grown in the different regions of the state. So, dear students, today you will try to learn the names of all the crops, the places where they are grown, and the total acres of land for cultivation. So, dear students, stay connected. In the next video, we will try to explain the different types of horticulture in J&K state.